We have about 80 CNC machines here at PBC, and a lot of the time spent on those machines is actually pick and place, picking up a part, loading into it, so material handling. Our cobots, the majority of the time what they're doing is picking up parts from a tray and then loading them into the machine. When the machine finishes cutting the part, it'll take the part out, put it back in the tray, and grab the next one. So majority of our cobots in our shop, that's the task that they're performing. Set up a machine at the end of the shift and then go home for the day, lights turn off, but the machine's still running. So that's the biggest benefit of the ASRS is getting that lights out production. When you utilize a cobot to run a job, you're only gonna see that robot run for maybe 30 minutes to an hour with a single tray. You know, with the ASRS, you truly do see lights out production because you're able to cycle through 17 trays and see that overnight production.
That piece of capital is paid for, it's sitting on your floor. It only makes you money if the spindle's running. Every hour that ASRS is loading parts in that machine, the more it's going to help their company benefit.
We've developed a calculator where you can put in your productivity, current costs, how many shifts you're running. You throw in the investment for what a cobot and ASRS system would cost you, and you can see just how fast it pays for itself. The new technology has really changed mindsets. It's made the whole culture shift. People are happier with the work they're doing. It's directly related to how we scale, how we grow, and with that, your productivity is increasing. Being able to grow by a third without needing to rely on headcount, it's just unbelievable, and it's really showed in our business.
Learn more at pbclinear.com.